Welcome to Course Closed Today! I'm your host, King of the Knobs, Big Fish Bill. There are other opportunities to win a knobby. Backed by popular demand, the second annual Pink Hippo Fiber Speed 2000 Longest Drive Contest and the Shortest Drive Contest. You will be required to use the Pink Hippo Fiber Speed 2000 driver. Remember, Larry Bird endorsed the Fiber Speed 2000, so it's a real thing, and your king built one. Whoa, whoa! With the caveat, you will have to wear the bullet hole glasses. Last year's longest drive winner.
Who could it have been?
Satan!
Nope, it was this guy. The longest drive knobby, boys. For some reason, I'm hoping Alan wins this one because he is a big f***ing deal. Of course, there's always a first loser.
You bunch of losers!
Shortest drive. Last year, Chase won it. Let's hope he wins it again. The Knob Putt-Putt Championship of the World 2024. Sven has chosen the Rock River Lanes and Kingpin Putt-Putt Adventure Golf Complex in Atkinson, Wisconsin. The upside is we'll finally push Hermie to his new hobby, bowling. We'll save countless houses, children, and of course, we'll keep the longest drive recorded in history on hole number 1 at Northbrook Golf Course. Hey Percy, one of the holes has a chute on it, so don't tell any of the knobs. Schmitty, what did we purposely not tell those guys?
That there's a chute if you hit it.
There's a chute in the water up there! Last year's winner, young Chase, needs to be knocked off his high horse. There was a lot of gloating going on last year, boys. The Knobby for Knob Putt-Putt Champion of the World, complete with chicken ass bitches. There you go, boys. As is Knob tradition, there's always a first loser.
You bunch of losers!
Here's your putt-putt first loser. Come on, someone's got to be fired up about the Knob Bucketball Championship of the World. Second annual, Sven has promised an appealing yet challenging bucketball course. With that in mind, you will be required to hit around tractors, play out of sunflower seed traps, and try and concentrate while all the Alvin Sosinski band music is going on. Everyone knows there's nothing like golfing with an accordion in the background. Last year's winner, Percy, will be looking to hold on to his crown. He is, by the way, the only member of the Knob Bucketball Hole-in-One Club. Knob Bucketball Champion of the World, Knobby! There's gotta be one last thing, and that would be the countdown! 18 days till the Knob Extravaganza 2024, boys!